Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Mahatma Gandhi birth anniversary. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated annually on 2nd October to commemorate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. This year, the nation will celebrate the 155th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He is remembered for his unforgettable contribution to the struggle for freedom. He was at the forefront of the freedom struggle against colonial British rule. He was a major political and spiritual leader of India who led the country in the non-cooperation movement in 1922 and Salt March in 1930 and later in Quit India movement in 1942 during its struggle for independence. Civil rights movement in South Africa. In South Africa, he had a first-hand experience of racial discrimination and prejudice directed at Indians and the injustice imposed on them. Gandhi himself experienced the humiliation and disgrace while in South Africa. Initially, he was thrown off a train for refusing to travel in a third-class coach while holding a first-class ticket. In 1906, the Transvaal government launched a new act forcing registration of Indian population. Enraged by the act, a mass protest meeting was held in Johannesburg on 11th September in which Gandhi called on Indian people to resist the new act through non-violent and peaceful means. His methodology of satyagrah, devotion to truth, was adopted by thousands of his followers. Indian independence struggle and Gandhi 1916 to 1945. Gandhi's satyagrah started from Champaran and Kheda, where the condition of farmers was worsened by landlords, mostly British, by imposing taxes and leaving them in an abject poverty. The peasants were forced to grow cash crops instead of food crops necessary for their survival, and this led to a situation of famine there. Gandhi organized protests and strikes against the landlords that resulted into the cancellation of revenue hikes and collection of taxes until the famine ended. Gandhi employed non-cooperation, non-violence and peaceful resistance as the most effective weapons against the British rule. It was the Jallianwala Bagh massacre after which the concept of Swaraj or complete individual, spiritual and political freedom evolved. Gandhi urged the people to boycott foreign-made goods, clothes, to resign from government employment and to forsake British titles and honors. He himself wore a traditional Indian dhoti and shawl made with yarn he himself spun on a charkha. He organized the Dandi Salt March in 1930 and Quit India movement in 1942. He also worked for the upliftment of untouchables and gave them a new name, Harijan, meaning the children of God. He was shot dead by Nathuram Godse on 31st January 1948.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.